I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop Flosstube, and I just got back from Salt Lake City where Lori Holt and I went shopping. So some of the stuff we just got at normal stores, but a lot of the cross stitch we got at Shepherd's Bush. And I always think it's great to go there because they have great service, they're super nice ladies, and I do look for things that we can offer at Fat Quarter Shop that I haven't seen before. So I'll start with easels. We use easels all the time in our floss tubes and we constantly run out. So I got a couple more easels so that we have a way to display because we keep running out. And the way I use easels is just like this. Super easy, and some easels are smaller, so that works great for that one. And we got a lot of these easels because I've only found them in Salt Lake City. I've never seen them in Texas where I live. And they offer a lot of different colors, and we needed some white. So this is a way that we use the easels on the cross stitch set. So we got those at Quilted Bear, which is like a cute little boutique type store with lots of different stuff. And I got these drawers thinking I was trying to copy Cheryl, because if you watch our cross stitch organization video too, Cheryl showed some drawers that she uses to hold her cross stitch pattern. So I thought, oh, this is going to be so cute. I'm going to be like Cheryl. And I got home and they don't fit. So that's not going to work. So I can either put my pattern maybe sideways and do that, or I'm gonna have to use it for something else. They're still cute. I didn't get these at Shepherd's Bush. I got these, one at an antique store and one at Quilted Bear. So I got them. They're not gonna work for what I wanted them to, but they'll still be cute. And this one's kind of cool because there's a handle on both sides. It would be really cool to finish a cross stitch on here. Super cute. And I got my favorite, these two things. One is my favorite and one I haven't used before. So the Naked Bee, I usually get that on Amazon, but I don't ever really see it in Texas. And I like the coconut and honey. This was the only one I found in all the stores I went to, and this is not the size I usually get, but it was the only one that they had at all. So I'll have to restock somewhere else. And the owner of Shepherd's Bush was telling me that a lot of people like the Needle Artist lotion. So we're gonna carry it at Fat Quarter Shop when we can find a source. I will say I tried it. It's a little bit strong of a scent. So I don't love it, but it does get, she said it gets good reviews. So I thought, well, if her customers like it, you guys might like it too. So I'll put these in there. And I love these little wooden pieces. So I found this and bought it. She said they sell really fast and it was their last one. So I grabbed it as fast as I could. I think it's handmade. It looks really nice. And then when you buy from them, they always give you a little, I think it's just another button, clay button with your purchase. So that's super cute. And we do sell all of these needle minders, but I liked that one and I thought, you know what? I want that for myself. So I just bought it. So that is super cute. And the other thing that I like to do when I go there is they have a large assortment of fabrics and they sell them in really small sizes. And I buy what I might use and I use them in our work so that if we don't carry this, but we want to in the future, it tells me the name and I'm supporting a brick and mortar store. So this is just some different fabrics that I got. Let's see, Touch of Pink, Dirty, Fiddlers. And these are all 14 count because that's what I stitch with. Natural, Polar Ice, Ivory, and I probably have some of these colors. Flax, Maple, Raspberry Sorbet, Summer Khaki, Celadon, Nugget, Blizzard Blue, Navy, Platinum, Natural Brown, Summer Sky, and Golden Sand. So I bought all of those because when we're looking to do kits or we're looking to do something, I want to make sure I've got good colors. So I'll check to make sure we sell all these colors, but I always want to support Shepherd's Bush. So I buy lots of these from them every time I go because they have a great wall of fabrics. And I found these two patterns that I wasn't familiar with before, and I just liked them. So I thought, we have gotten so many requests to do a sampler, and I am just not a sampler person. But I liked these, and I thought, well, if we ever get to do a sampler, we can do this, and we would obviously recolor it to more my colors because these are a little bit old-fashioned for me. So that's what I found when I was in Salt Lake City shopping. And I love to support local needlework shops, just like I hope that you guys do. And I hope you liked seeing my shopping haul and seeing how I shop. I try to buy only what I'm going to use. So these are the colors I would use. They also sell a lot of hand dyed in small pieces. And I didn't buy any of that because I would never use it. But it's a way to just build my stash and just always be on the lookout for new trends and new things that maybe you guys haven't seen before. So shout out to Shepherd's Bush for having great customer service. Shout out to Lori Holt for shopping with me. If you would like to see more videos like that, comment below, let me know, and definitely subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.